What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video you guys can see 7 must-have items for men to look confident and stylish. I believe in 2 C's. Comfort equals the confidence and confidence resonates in your style. Starting with the must-have item number 1. A good fitting t-shirt. Yes, this is a must-have in each and every man's wardrobe. No matter how young you are or how old you are, this is a must-have piece, and always make sure that the emphasis needs to be on the choice of materials and also how it fits. A good fitting t-shirt should fit you well at the chest area with enough room at the waist area, and then when it comes to the sleeves, it should end just above the tricep. If a brand have to achieve that, they need to go with some composition along with the cotton. If you ask me, the best fitting t-shirts, it would be from the Marks and Spencer. When it comes to the Marks and Spencer David Gandy collection, they go with the modal combination, which I really love it. I have them in black color, burgundy, as well as navy blue and gray color as well, I think. The must-have piece number 2 is a good fitting vest or an undershirt. As we tend to sweat a lot in the Indian climates in most of the regions, it always don't look presentable. Always we guys, including me, takes the option of using a vest for granted. But the advantages outweighs the perception most of you guys must be having on the vest. On top of that, if the undershirt or vest that is made of a high quality fabric, such as the one from our sponsor for this video, The Mensch, it can increase your style by multi-fold. This brand checks that by using best in class environmental friendly materials across their lineup. I am happy to collaborate with a brand which honestly I'm a big fan of. I use their briefs, micro modal ones. If you guys are not aware, they have the Neoskin vest which are made of bamboo, and it is super soft guys. It is twice as soft as the premium version of the cotton generally most of the other brands go for. It's a thermo-regulating vest. It keeps you cool during summers and warm during winters. A big thanks to its composition. It also comes in cool colors guys, and you can use them as a loungewear too. It's antimicrobial, so helps you stay sweat free as well. Coming to the advantages, 1, as I mentioned earlier, it can be used as a loungewear, so you get most value out of it. And number 2, it's invisible neckline. Generally, I'm the one who keeps my first shirt button open. In that case, most of the vests or undershirts, generally they show their neckline, but they have the deep neckline which can be invisible. That's a good attention to detail while designing this vest. For the quality they offer, they are fairly priced at 450 rupees. The Mensch believe in their quality offerings a lot guys. In case if you are not satisfied with the product quality or comfort, within 30 days, they will refund your full amount. Therefore, it's a win-win situation guys, and what you're waiting for, do check them out. I will leave the link for their website in the description below. Not only I like the brand offerings, I like their values in terms of sustainability and redefining masculinity. The third must-have option you should be having in order to look stylish in your wardrobe should be denims. Be it a denim jacket or be it a jeans, or be it a denim overshirt, whatever is related to denim. Don't cheap out on denim offering guys. Always make sure that you have the composition of elastane to it. That's fine. The composition of elastane may contradict with the durability or longevity, but as I mentioned, you need to play that line. You need to be on the border of comfort as well as the quality. For example, if you are replacing your blue or black jeans every single year, seriously, something must be wrong with your choice, trust me. So make sure that you go for a high quality one. Not necessarily that you have to splurge out money, but make sure that when the brand offers discounts or when something is on sale from a reputed brand such as Zara, H&M, Jack & Jones, and buy at least at a price point of 1500 to 2000, and buy the versatile colors of dark blue, black and gray colors first. And once you have that options covered, then you can go with the washed aspect and the other color options such as white. It applies the same for the denim jackets as well. Moving on to the must-have item number 4. It is my all-time favorite. It's a white leather sneakers. Yes, this is a must-have item with you, and you need to ensure that it is of the best quality possible. A budget of 3k would be more than sufficient. I am considering doing a white sneakers video, like a cheap versus expensive white sneakers video, where I am going to talk extensively on them. Right now, if you want a good high quality leather sneakers, make sure that you shop Adidas Stan Smiths when on discount. You can get them easily at a price point of 3,500. Hands down, those are the best options you can get at that price point. In case if you want any options less than 3,000 rupees, Zara sneakers or H&M leather options, when they're on sale, you can get them easily for maybe 2,000 or 2,500 rupees. And there is one great option in the form of Puma Basket Classics. The must-have item number 5 should be a flannel shirt or a checkered shirt. Yes, these are the super versatile options, guys. You can easily wear them during the summer seasons when the temperatures are hot. You can easily wear them during the winter season as a light layering piece just by adding a t-shirt underneath it. But in order to get that versatility, you need to invest in few good quality flannel shirts in few colors. I'm not saying in every color. Always a tip for flannel shirts or a checkered shirt should be they need to have at least one neutral colors among the checks, and the checks need to be of medium size. If you have one or two high quality flannel shirts which you can use them year after year in the neutral color combinations with one pop color to it, that should be more than enough to look stylish. Moving on to the piece number 6, rather pieces. Chinos and drawstring pants. Let's talk about chinos first. Chinos are the most underrated options when it comes to the menswear, but those are the most versatile options one can buy, trust me, because those are the like-to-like replacement for the jeans. Jeans you can't wear during every climatic conditions, but chinos you literally can, and chinos you can wear them as a semi-formal to semi-casual. If it is your first chinos, I would recommend to go for the black or navy blue, and the second would be either tan or somewhere in the lines of beige brown. And if you have the money to spare with, go for the gray color option. When it comes to the drawstring pants, Must and Harbor is one of the recent favorite when it comes to the linen offerings. There is a black color as well as a gray or an olive gray color in Myntra, which you can find very easily. Those are one of the best pickups for the drawstring pants. When it comes to the practical utility purpose which they provide by going with a different composition of the materials, for the drawstring pants I am always a big fan of the Zara offerings and also H&M offerings as well. When it comes to drawstring pants, I'm making a separate video on the drawstring pant you can buy. Moving on to the last must-have piece. One good fitting formal outfit. Don't underestimate the power of a good fitting formal outfit. Anyone can instantly look stylish if it is a well-fitted, high-quality formal outfit. In case if you don't find yourself dressing more formally, make sure that you have at least one high-quality, good-fitting, white or a light blue formal shirt to go along with a navy blue formal good-fitting trouser, which need to be of proper length, by the way. And if you have the money to spare with, also have a good formal loafers or a good dressy shoes which can go with it. I hope you guys found this video informative, and if you did so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also guys, don't forget to check out our sponsor for this video, The Mensch. I will leave the link for them in the description below. As you guys are part of Find Your Style family, you get an extra 10% off by using the coupon code which is displayed on the screen, guys. I will leave the coupon code as well in the description. That's it from me. I think I will see you guys in the next video.